Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of Exxon Mobil Corp, and this stock is about to make a very big move, which means a breakout is about to happen. Now the problem is, if you try to analyze this stock from the lows of March 2020 and you will say the stock has already moved by 200%, then you may be or this is the wrong way to interpret this stock, because since 2007 and 8 the stock has been in a consolidation. If I draw the line like this, a trend line like this, it is not a trend line but at least a support line like this on the downside, and as far as the upside is concerned, if I draw two more lines on the upside, what you can see is something like this, right? And now from the highs of 2007 you will see that the stock has been correcting and consolidating. So it is on the verge of a breakout with certain T&C, terms and condition, that we need to understand and look at. So let's just analyze this chart, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. And do let me know if you have this stock in your portfolio, and what are your thoughts as far as, or current thoughts as far as Exxon Mobil is concerned, so that we can also get your views. So do let me know in the comment section. Now the levels that we are going to look at moving forward, or the immediate levels we have here, will be 98.5 and 107 or $108 on the upside. Now once the stock moves above 107, it will be a big breakout, because beyond 107 it will break out after a span of 14 years. So it will be considered as one of the big breakout that the stock will see if the stock sustains above 108. Till then 98.5 and 107 will be your resistance as well, because the stock needs to sustain itself beyond 107 after the breakout. So this is a two-way sword kind of situation, where it may act as a resistance. At the same time, if a breakout happens, it has to sustain above it. Now being a hopeful person, if I think that the stock is going to make its move beyond 107 and sustain above that, then what should be the next scenario? In that case, we try to take support from the history price patterns of this particular stock, in which case what we can see here, so this is the line. Okay, now what this line is apparently suggesting is, this was your trend in the past and the stock was trading above these two lines from 1987 till 2014, and then we have seen a breakdown, right? So which means that these two lines, which were your previous support, now act as your resistance, and so does your next target if the stock moves beyond 107. So if the stock goes beyond 107, the next range that we are talking about will be in between 160 and $250, right? So your previous support will now act as a resistance, and only if the stock moves like this or pierce these two line and started moving higher, then your old range get activated. But we are not considering the situation. We will see how the stock will sustain, or whether it will sustain above 207 or not, and if it does, what will be its next move on the upside. Till then, there are two specific situations that we are looking at. First, the stock, or whenever the stock sustains above 107, and if it continues to sustain or trading above 107, then the target that we are looking at will be in between 160 and 250, and beyond which we will have to see how the stock is moving, and if there is enough momentum we will reanalyze this again. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.